Greetings from Obi Nuku Chineke. Today is Saturday, the 5th of October 2024. It is known as Iki, a market day in Igbo land, a day of celebration, success and great achievement. It is also a day when we honor the wind for its active role in saving human lives and allowing us to witness the creation of our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the owner of all humans and languages. You are blessed and empowered to be successful in life through your creativity in business and hard work. You have the ability to improve your own life and the lives of those around you, thereby reducing the suffering caused by greedy individuals who profit from human suffering, which in turn leads to sin and crime. Without realizing it, wind, water and sand record all their actions, causing suffering to their fellow humans, bringing darkness to the flesh and damaging the ability to think clearly. Every person should remember that all their activities, day and night, are recorded by the wind, water and sand. This awareness helps us avoid situations where we might claim ignorance by saying, "Oh, I don't know what I was doing, have mercy upon me," when in our hearts we know exactly what we're doing. Remember all your good and bad deeds. They are all recorded by the wind, water and sand. Be prepared to face your deeds after death, because this world is not your own, and the humans you cause suffering by bringing darkness upon their flesh are not your own. You are here to witness the creation of our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the owner of the wind, water and sand. He constantly sustains all humans and monitors all activities on Earth to avoid someone saying after death, "I don't know when I was doing all this," while you spend quality time planning evil that causes your fellow humans to suffer. Always remember that the only way to please the Creator of the wind, water and sand, which work tirelessly to sustain human life, is to be kind to your fellow humans. They were brought here on earth to witness this magnificent creation, constantly praying may not please the Creator of the earth. What pleases the Creator is being kind and nice to your fellow human beings, as the Creator has allowed us to witness and manage His creation with care and a peaceful mind. The Igbo people have long understood that the natural elements, the wind, the water and the sand, are not merely passive elements in our world. They are in fact guardians of our deeds, silently recording our every action and intention. The Creator of the wind, water and sand installed everything in the human body, including how we should treat our fellow humans. Your body alone is an example of how you should treat others. Treat others as you would like to be treated. Always choose to do good instead of harming your fellow humans, because your mind knows what is good and bad. Remember, everything in this world is not your own. Be careful when handling worldly things, because the wind, water and sand are always with you. Water carries the information about your body and thoughts to the wind when you breathe in, and when you breathe out, it passes the information to the sand. You can see that these three elements closely monitor all your actions without making any mistakes. Remember, life on Earth has limits, but the wind, water and sand are unlimited in their functions. This is their agreement with the Creator of the world, to supervise the activities on Earth without making mistakes, to avoid being blacklisted after death. Praying every hour doesn't please the Creator of the wind, water and sand. What pleases the Creator is being kind and considerate to your fellow humans. Lead effectively if you find yourself in a position of leadership. Use your position to improve your country so that your people will not seek a better place to live. Every country has the potential to enhance living conditions, reduce suffering and prevent crime and conflict. Let's stop using sorry and forgiveness as an easy way out after causing harm to others. This mindset is harmful and leads to suffering. Many people believe that they can harm others and then simply apologize and expect forgiveness. This is a major problem in the world. Knowing that the wind, water and sand bear witness to our lives should inspire in us a profound sense of accountability. For if our deeds are constantly being recorded, we are more likely to act with thoughtfulness and integrity. This awareness serves as a moral compass, guiding us towards righteousness and away from wrongdoing. It reminds us that our actions have consequences, not just for ourselves, but for the world around us. When we live with this awareness, we are more likely to choose kindness over cruelty, honesty over deceit, and compassion over indifference. We begin to understand that true freedom lies not in doing whatever we please, but in aligning our actions with our highest values. Praying for forgiveness after taking a human life doesn't work, as nature knows and keeps records. Praying for forgiveness after harming others is not enough. The forces of nature, such as wind, water, and sand, ultimately govern the earth and judge each person after death based on their actions towards others. It is the language of the heart, spoken through acts of compassion, empathy, and love. To be kind is to recognize the inherent dignity and worth of every individual, regardless of their station in life. The Creator, who breathed life into us all, delights in acts of kindness. When we extend a helping hand to those in need, offer words of encouragement to the disheartened, or simply treat others with respect and dignity, we bring joy to the heart of creation. Kindness, therefore, is not merely a social nicety, but a profound spiritual practice. It is through our actions, not just our words, that we demonstrate our true character and our understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. I have a question for you. What do you think monitors all your activities, both good and bad? Spirits are not of this earth, and they are not consistent with humans, but the wind, water, and sand are always with you. Without the wind, water, and sand, you would be nowhere to be found. Please write and tell the world who you think monitors the world. Have it in mind that the wind, water, and sand, which are constant with humans, serve as the eyes and hands of the Creator to see and touch humans. We are awaiting your response in the comments section. May you be guided and blessed by the wind, water, and sand that understand the necessities of human life. See you through, I see, meaning so shall it be. We cannot simply pray for forgiveness without also making amends for our wrongdoings. We are responsible for the ripples we create. Kindness multiplies, spreading goodness to achieve a peaceful place after death. There is a second life after death, made available for humans by the Creator of the wind, water, and sand, the owner of all humans and languages. In my language, he is called Chukwu Okike Abiyama in Igbo land. We are blessed by the wind, water, and sand to achieve greatness with our creativity in business and our handiwork. We strive to better our lives with suitable things, not to harm one another, but to live in peace and enjoy the good things of the earth. The natural world, in its wisdom, understands this principle. A tree that has been stripped of its branches cannot simply pray for new growth. It must receive nourishment, sunlight, and care in order to heal and flourish. The mantle of leadership, a call to serve and inspire. Leadership in the Igbo worldview is not a position of power, but a call to service. A true leader is one who uses their influence to uplift their community, to inspire others to embrace righteousness, and to create a more just and equitable society. Leaders have a responsibility to be role models of ethical behavior, demonstrating through their own actions the values they wish to see reflected in their communities. They must be champions of justice, advocating for the marginalized and speaking out against oppression. By embracing the principles of integrity, compassion, and accountability, leaders can create a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond their immediate sphere of influence. They become beacons of hope, guiding their people towards a brighter future. We are awaiting your response in the comments section. Tell the world what monitors the activities on Earth without making a single mistake. May you be guided and blessed by the wind, water, and sand that understand the necessities of human life. See you through in life, I see, meaning so shall it be. From Obi Nukwu Chineke, also known as wind, water, and sand, the blessed of the universe, Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.